I'm Eddie. I'm a vet at the Animals Asia Bear Centre here in Chengdu. When you meet these bears and where you've seen where they've come from and what they had to endure on the Bear Bile farm, and you see the life that they have now, happy and roaming and playing, it just warms your soul. We're only here because there are good people out there who really want to make a difference, and they're donating to us to do that, to making sure that these bears have the best life that we can give them. I can't think of any other species that's more in need than these bears.